So you have your vehicle like them, you understand? Real 4-wheel runner. Mad thing. Ah, my teacher, blessed. Yeah.
Jump on it, I'm sure.
Oh, we can jump on?
Alright.
Yeah, we're gonna hitch a ride.
Yeah, we're hitch a ride.
Ah, thank you.
Man. Up in the Wrangler. Yeah, step on the wheel. I go. You switch out you there? Make sure you hold on, you know.
How we get
Good.
up?
Hey, I wanna look a soldier still. Yeah, step on the wheel. Yeah, man, no problem. At least it's an experience. With the right on the Wrangler tapping them, man. Now play with the chop. Watch Ed, watch Ed, watch Ed. Coming up. Hey. Look down there. Look down there. Look it. Look at that.
Wow.
And look over there. Watch it. Nice. So massive, listen. If you're coming up here, you need a 4-wheel drive like this. You actually can take on the road, you understand? Yeah. So it's just crazy. So we're on an adventure with Bless Up Jess. And we're just gonna have a vibe, big up Jazz Entertainment, you don't know?
Yes.
Over here. So what's your real name again that I can call you? Me also call you Jazz.
My name is Shanti.
Shanti?
Yes.
That is, like Shanti I?
Yes.
Like Shanti Rastafari? That is it, big up Shanti. You understand? Our tour guide, I meant to look good. Marty! How easy, you don't know, big up every time, you don't know. Look good. We up on the mountain top. You understand? We there in one place, now one part. Blue Mountain Massive, you don't know, big up every time, you don't know. So if you just start watch a video, you understand, you probably watch the first video already, which I would do the ATV and be a dirt bike and be a thing for reach up here. It took the whole day, but we still reach. But it's great. The experience is just everything. You understand me? I say, right, and I feel nice in the morning, I cold like ice. You understand? But guess what, now? I never dress sweet or that, so I go teach you now, I make sure so I get it right. Make sure so not forward and have a sweater. Make sure so I'm not forward and have all the thick shirt, and the long sleeve for the weather. Yeah. Because I have this is the best thing we could have find. You understand? But guess what, now? With the right Jaboot camp, you understand? Look good. Nice camping at the hillside and thing, which out we are going base, which out we are kick it. See there? Jabby, right. Jabby place with there. You understand? Me man say rooms available. See all the number, they look good. Look good. See there? You understand? Link up Jabby. You understand? So hear me now. We're there on Blue Mountain. And right now we are going to hike to the peak of the mountain. You understand? You know we're there with Bless Up Jess. I'm actually there about a mile away ahead of me. So I'm going to play catch up. You understand? But you don't know me have to do the intro a specific way. You see me? So right about now. So we're there with Jazz Entertainment. You understand? So we could kick it off. Look good. Jabby camp with there, and we walk from Jabby camp and we go straight a mountain peak, way up a Blue Mountain peak. You can't even see the top to where the place fog up and thing. But yo, listen me now man, and start like a video, cause we are doing it that way. Yeah. Start like a video right now. Me a wait man, me a wait 1,000 likes, me a wait. You understand? So my bag packed up on my back. You understand? Me there with the real comfortable shoes and thing. I got the steps and we are do the walk, you understand? No joke, no doubt. So I'm going to show you what the place look like, the entire hike, so you don't know. It's a long video, so get ready so we can do it the right way. Look good. Look good. That is it. So start like it and watch what I want. You hear the breeze? So yeah, Blue Mountain. And we are do the hike. So this hike is all about nature, you understand, with the way off grid. You understand? No joke. Whole heap of coffee tree. Again, a Blue Mountain with it. Right now, I kind of feel misty like rain or something. Almighty look like rain and it look like fog. I don't understand what I go on. I hope it's not rain still. But we're there upon the journey and I'm going to play a catch up and think. Whole heap of farmland massive. Coffee galore. Up in the Blue Mountains as we did it this way. So see, vehicle actually drive up here. You understand? It's actually, it feel like a rain. You understand? I'm not sure if I can see it. But yeah. So, vehicle actually drive, you can forward with your four-wheeler, nothing less. No two-wheel vehicle. Has to be four-wheel. You see me? So this is actually a nice hike. Let's go, man. So I'm honestly not sure how long this is gonna be. I start breathe heavy already. I wanna reach nowhere. Wow, this is nice. Look at this. This name Edback Hiking Lounge. It's beautiful, really nice. Very modern building. Yeah. And I'm moving along. Private property, no trespassing. Yeah. So I'm gonna record the entire journey. So let's get ready. Woo! Woo woo! So that's Bless Up Jess. A massive mad thing. Please may I ask if you like the video. If you want to do something like this, they link them in the description where you can link them up and deal with it. No joke, no doubt. This is too beautiful, man. Sometimes we have to come out of the city and come enjoy real nature. Wow. Let's do this. Where's Jazz?
She's up ahead.
Are you looking
Where
at?
did you come from? I was
Right out of the bush. So it's coffee.
Yeah, coffee plant.
So all who don't know what coffee plant look like, look at it. This is the real Blue Mountain Peak coffee. Real Blue Mountain Peak coffee. Look good. There's a car coming. So you have a vehicle like them, you understand? Real four-wheel runner. Mad thing. Ah, my teacher, blessed. Yeah. Massive, these are some real dangerous road. So make sure so you can actually drive. Look at that vehicle going through. Just make sure so you can actually drive here. That me I tell you. Oh, word. Jess, what are you trying to do? Hitch a ride? Look like Jess trying to hitch a ride. Man, this is going to be a long one. Woo. Just saw them legs. What legs them feel already?
Yeah.
Feel good?
Hiking legs.
Hiking legs.
Sir.
You ready?
Yeah, but I'm hot already.
Yeah, yeah, no, that's what I'm key.
I'm gonna take
That's
this
what
off.
alright, see? One of the one jump up in a Wrangler. Oh.
Jump on it, I'm sure.
Oh, we can jump on?
Alright.
Yeah, we're gonna hitch a ride.
Yeah, we're each alright.
Ah, thank you.
Man. Up in the Wrangler. Yeah, step on the wheel. I go. You switch out you there? Make sure you hold on, you know.
How we get
Good.
up?
Hey, I wanna look a soldier still. Yeah, step on the wheel. Yeah, man, no problem. At least it's an experience. Over the top, Jez. Alright, so my time I go up on the Wrangler, you know.
Yes.
Should be the Wrangler angle. Well, I'm wearing some shirt. Alright, you look good?
Yep.
Alright, yes. Tree.
Hitching a ride. Just got my hair stuck on a tree.
With the right on the wrangler tapping them, man. Now play with the chop. Watch Ed, watch Ed, watch Ed. Coming up. Hey. Wally, hey, watch Ed. Hey, watch Ed. Watch Ed. This is us. Watch Ed. Massive. Listen, look down there. Look down there. Look it. Look at that.
Wow.
And look over there. Watch it. Nice. So Massive, listen. If you're coming up here, you need a 4-wheel drive like this. You actually can take on the road. You understand? Yeah. So it's just crazy. So we're on an adventure with Bless Up Jess, and we're just gonna have a vibe. Big up Jazz Entertainment. You don't know?
Yes.
Over here. So what's your real name again that I can call? Me, how's I call it, Jazz?
My name is Shanti.
Shanti.
Yes.
That is like Shanti, I.
Yes.
Like Shanti Rastafari. That is it. Big up Shanti. You understand? Our tour guide. I meant to look good. Marty, this is the line. Look good. Massive, look good. This is just too sweet to be. Watch your wrangler. Look on this tree. So, white field all. Look at that. Watch it. Oh. Yeah, nice. Woo. Look. How is it? Look at that. Watch it. So Massive, this is your, hey, watch it now. Ah. Watch it again. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Yeah, watch it, yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah.
It's getting worse. Yeah, man.
What kind of tree is this?
Which one the Macade?
On that side there, so no watching the head.
Alright,
So watch
cool.
your head. Watch your head.
The baby rolling some shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So watch your end.
Rest of what kind of tree is this? What kind of tree is this? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Peach tree.
Tell her.
Yeah, I'll come over the other side. I'll bend down low.
Bend down, yeah. Alright, yeah. Wait,
So they, inside them they are maca.
I don't know if you're okay, but we need to
Yeah, watch your head.
the tree.
Maca up on the side, yeah. Yeah. What a journey! This is just incredible.
We would have gone there. Okay, yes? Alright, what's your head?
Watch your bad machine. Massive on the start like the video, cause trust me, them entertainment and a normal.
That's why William Jazz plus entertainment. Yeah.
Jazz plus entertainment, look good.
Entertainment. Yes.
Alright, right.
Right done. How far you go? Yeah.
Right, yes, sir.
Oh, you know, okay, that is it.
Thank you so much.
Big up every time, man. Mad love, mad respect. We jump off of the world equipment, you know. Wow. That was super. Yeah. Mad thing. That was super. So, see? We're actually on a cliffside. On a cliffside. So this is the world equipment. Yeah, my can pass. This is the world equipment. Real 4-wheel drive. This car, nothing can stop this up, so. Yeah, man. Look at it. Mad thing. You need a 4-wheel drive like this to get it done. What the I name?
iPod, you know.
iPod.
Yeah,
Big up
man.
iPod. Respect.
But
Jamaica
I
walk by, you understand?
Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Yeah, yeah, who?
When I job his son.
Yeah, when a Jabby son.
Yes.
That's how which one with there a brace. Mad
That
thing,
is it,
man.
Big up, man.
Big up Jabby straight. And a Jabby son. Look good. Mad thing. Up in our heels today. Blessed. Yeah. And the journey continue. Damn, that was wild. Woo! Let's do this. So we're going to the peak of Blue Mountain. Yeah. So Massive, if you just start watching, please may I ask if you like the video. Start like the video right now. Let's go and let's get. That was crazy. Sick.
I almost got our
Sick.
head sliced off if you can't, you know?
That was sick.
That was amazing.
I tell you, brother. So I'm currently here with you don't know, Jazz.
Jess.
See me I call your channel.
Yeah.
Jess. So her channel is Bless Up Jess.
Bless up, Jess.
She just
Just
hit
hit
10K.
10K this morning.
Mad.
Oh my goodness, 10K in just over a month. That's wild. I can't believe it.
Yeah. She hit 10,000 views in a month. That's crazy.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's a real accomplishment. So keep going. So we're
Thank
doing
you.
it, man.
Thank you.
Mad thing. So massive gonna keep subscribing to her channel. Check out her content. Very interesting content she have. So as you
Remember
see how
to
far.
subscribe to Jazz Plus channel 2 on YouTube. We're Jazz Plus. We just started the channel, so we only have about 300 followers, subscribers. So guys, please remember to subscribe to Jazz Plus to see more tours and all of this and much more to come. Please.
That is
Thank
it.
you.
No joke, no doubt. No good?
Yeah, and if you want to see like my journeys through our solo backpacking in Jamaica, you know where to go. Go to Bless Up Jess and subscribe, guys.
Mad thing. So massive, there you have it. There we go. And we are doing it like this. You don't know.
Yes.
Just entertainment food.
Yes.
Them have a bun up. Alright, so we're outside. No joke, no doubt. So you see which way I walk? Look on the edge. Look down there. One wrong move. One wrong move. Woo! No joke, no doubt. As we move through. So massive, it's all about nature. It's all about cool. Hiking and just being healthy, great exercise. So all I massive them when I say a champion hiker, on the great walker, on the love fitness, on the love health thing. Yeah, we're there with some kids. What's the youngest age?
How old are you? 7. And you're old? 10.
So 11 and 10.
Yeah.
Alright. And see, them I deal with it. Yo, listen, I'm not carrying no kids.
What's this? Abbey Green Estate.
You understand? That is it. We can't carry it, you know. So make sure it's on the fit.
But tell them long time.
You never do it before?
No.
Almighty.
We're walking blind.
That is it.
So you get
Oh, who we have around here?
2 hours.
Big up yourself, Dave. You say ready?
No.
It's the first time?
Yeah.
John, you say brawling no. Me understand. Fully active. Yeah. Mad thing. Yeah, now you're teen, right? Like teenager, right?
I'm 22.
You're 22. She's 22. I thought you were like
16.
not even 16. Me think she's about like 12. Like why me they think you're 12? You're 22? Look at her. Like yeah, we come up together though. You did the pound that's what they call him crash resort. I feel him back, get right back. Okay, bad thing. So she's actually 22. I thought you were like 12 years old. Sorry, it's a good thing. You look pretty young. God no. Like God no, I swear she was like super young.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe not 12.
No, but big man thing,
16, yeah.
she look like she about 12, 12,
14,
13.
maybe 14.
At them region, them here look on her like. But then 22, yeah, age well. Marty, look good. Right at the cliff, look there. My word. Damn. So massive, I'm gonna do my best to record the entire journey as we walk to the peak of Blue Mountain. About how much walk, Jazz? Yeah?
Guessing? Reach up there, no, that's what they said. That's what they said. 1.5 hours to reach up there, and plus probably the next 1.5 hours to reach back down. Alright.
Almighty. Alright then.
Good
We're good then.
Good exercise. And I need that. Yeah, me too.
We're good.
Actually. I've been in 2 days cinnamon rolls there. When I reach home back to around 2 o'clock.
See it?
Oh my god.
Man. So massive all of it.
This is what we're here for.
Yes.
So we have to do this. Yeah, we have to. We have to. This is what why we're here.
Sheesh.
So there's no doubt.
Yeah, man.
We have to.
Look on them ambience are massive. Look at this.
Right, yesterday we have to. Yes.
That's yours?
Yeah.
Mad things. Beautiful. Yeah. Look at that. Wow, man.
Fabian, you have the Wi-Fi on you?
Yeah.
Working?
Me not check it back. Wait, let me check it. Yes, it's working. The Wi-Fi box is working, yeah?
Alright guys, morning. So we are in the Blue Mountain and we are taking on this journey through the city. We just started. What time is it? It's 9:30. Now most of us walk out because you guys like to have to on the journey.
There's a car coming.
Jamaica walk.
Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk, right?
Yeah, that is it.
Oh, something is coming?
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, we are taking on this journey.
Martin, big up and respect. 4-wheel drive that? 4-wheel drive? Yeah. That is it, man. See there? Nothing else can reach round here for no 4-wheel.
You live up here?
Big up. Yeah, man, machine.
Alright, let's keep it pushing. I have to take my little sweater off because it's hot.
Yeah.
Epic video of all. See? Yes, guys. Yeah,
Nah, man. Let's go. Woo.
But if you're ever considering to remember, drive first for sure. I'm gonna drive first on nobody else. So, anyways, we're going. How are you guys feeling?
Great.
Amazing.
Great.
Ready? That means I have to start running.
Great. Look at this, massive. Look at this. Oh my word. Like if you listen to the ambience, of the trees, the birds whistling and stuff, it's just amazing. And we're actually on this road here. It's actually a road, but you know we're gonna veer off because vehicle won't be able to travel. So we're just currently on this road part first, and we are way up on Blue Mountains Hill. So I'm asking, so is there anybody else out there that has ever experienced this walk? Have you ever done the walk before? Comment in the comment section. Let me hear your experience, and all who want to do the walk, make sure to say your comment in the comment section and we can guide you to how you can get it done. You understand? So yeah, Whitfield Hall Hostel. So there is actually Whitfield Hall Hostel up here. I think it's probably that center camera up there. And we're going all the way up there. Yeah, that is it. Let's go. I wonder if I can see how high with it. Look like you contemplate. Change and turn back. You contemplate. Yes. Me look at her and I said to her, I said, she look like she contemplate to turn back. And she really said yes. Oh God. Yeah. Yeah. This is not a normal. Yo, people may implore me, like try this nature thing in Jamaica.
Okay, but like shack. our energies on this journey. Hey? Look at that.
Wow. So right up here, so you have fire. Fire sells some fruit. And the dog here. The dog friendly, man. See my waggling tail.
Morning.
Blessed, respect. Big up. Yeah, you see have natural juice? Yeah.
Juice, coconut water,
Beetroot.
turmeric and sugar pine,
Yeah.
and Irish mash and
Wait, Irish mash. Which one this?
mash
Shit, this
and
tough.
peanut
I'm
pump.
gonna walk with my money now.
And that me shoot!
I'm gonna left my money.
Jess, you walk with money? You walk with money? Great!
Yeah.
Are you where I go borrow money from?
We have to go borrow money, Dave. Yeah, man.
So far, watch out.
Is it? Okay. What's this? Morning. This is
Golden cup, same golden cup.
what's golden cup?
You eat it like passion fruit.
Oh, is it like a passion fruit? I love you. Have a knife. Alright.
I want to try it.
Yeah.
First, may I see? I don't know it.
I love passion fruit. Passion fruit's like probably like one of my favorite fruits.
Oh, it actually
Oh,
looks like
is it?
passion fruit for true.
Wow.
Let me catch it.
And what's that one?
Same thing.
Oh, okay. Look at that. Alright. I'm gonna
Marty.
try.
So over there with the Rasta and the ear, actually I sell some fruit. Man, fire have a nice spot over here, so it look like him a run a boat. Where's the soup? Some soup. Ital soup, I suppose. You understand? I miss a nice little ends. You understand? Where's the hiking trail? Blue Mountain Peak, there's a sign. And we're there. One tree are massive. Ah. Where's it? Eucalyptus tree. As in, where then you make eucalyptus oil? Mad. See? So we're learning and yeah, that means I say, we did see something there, so. You see? So we're learning as we go on by. No joke. Wow. That is it. We're ready. Me I say, me not carry money, cause me I say, I wasn't expecting that, me I say. So, to actually reach up here now and say juice. So, you say you have, look like you have bedroom bully and all and sitting in there.
Yeah, man, cane juice, beetroot, coconut water,
How much is this, right?
worth it.
No milk, none of that.
Thing name is almond.
Almond milk.
This ocean, they said this having passion and cane juice.
That are the turmeric and the sugar pine.
Turmeric and the sugar pine. This probably tastes really good.
Yeah,
Alright, much of this?
yeah.
3 bills to this. Alright. I'm just, you have the money right now, you know. Lend me, you have 1,000, can you lend me? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Charging grapefruit.
So if I have some bingy bang up here I sell. Mad thing. Yeah man, big up no man. Respect. That is it. Oh coffee. Real coffee. So this now you just beat it out. Mad thing. Yeah. So from Jess have money, I wonder if we can trust Jess. If you say Jess I go make sure say everything good. Rasta is a big thing, I can't trust her because I feel your product, you know, because if the money not live, you know, I run left here, you know.
Man, Jess.
Yeah. Bless up Jessie, she's a YouTuber too as well. A Jamaica walk by, you know. Yeah man. No joke, no doubt. Alright, let me try to pull this so you can just hold this. You see me? You see me?
Yeah, I'm serious.
That is it man.
Yeah, man, you that first time in the Blue Mountain.
First time in a Blue Mountain, but you
Yeah.
don't know real Jamaican. I'm a YouTuber too, you see me?
Yeah, man,
Taste this.
give thanks, man. So you come up here and I'm out.
Strong man.
Yeah, man.
I'm a little
then-
kick to it too.
Yeah.
They said turmeric
and sugar pie.
and sugar pine in there.
Yeah, and ginger.
And ginger, yeah. There's a
Yeah.
kick to it, man.
Yeah, man.
This our rasta.
That's Irish mash and spirulina and peanut.
Man breed them and get no
Me I tell you, man, you taste it nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Bless it. Ah.
This, you can feel it go through.
Yeah,
your
cause
chest and-
it actually take out the joints pain them. Turmeric is a good thing still. Clean your blood and clean some things in you. Yeah, man, a good thing, man.
Tastes good. You have a kick to it, I can tell you drink something rich.
Everywhere I go
What
there, I
colour?
love it, man.
It's rich.
Man,
You
everywhere I
can
go, I
real
love it.
juice.
Yeah.
No joke thing. Mad
Yeah.
thing.
Real.
Me I drink here fast now in case
Oh, God,
just
you
now have the
don't want
money.
a car club?
we run.
So you go there for the rest of the day, rasta?
Yeah, man, there.
So we have passed up probably one for next bucket.
Yeah,
No
me
problem.
feel like I want two more of this.
Yeah.
I want two more of this,
First time.
especially if you carry them.
Master question now.
Yeah.
How further do we have to walk to reach
Portland Gap.
the peak?
You have to pass Portland Gap first before you reach the peak.
So how much further to Portland Gap?
Hell, no people take like something like a 2 hour to reach. But a 3 hour up and 3 hour down to the peak. But if you can walk brisk and fast enough, you can do it less. So in all 6 hours.
So you're saying that 3 hours up and 3 hours down?
Yeah, take off a beat off. Take that beat
Yeah,
off.
man, make sure you take it.
No, no.
Ah, riches, you just run.
Don't do that. You see
Oh
that?
my
You
God,
just
it's
run with the
gone.
riches. I take me don't take him off and put him on me.
Yeah. Take him off.
I that me don't take him off and put him on me.
When you do it, stop. You make him bite the answer.
Yeah. So fire.
Yeah.
We not got it, you know. We make sure we pay you. Jess. Grapefruit.
Yeah, man.
How
Nice.
much is
Yeah, let me.
$4?
So this is grapefruit.
How much do the one that you take? 350?
3 bills.
3 bills? What you got?
Help. This is grapefruit. Now try the grapefruit. Juicy. I love eat this with milk. Honey, not right now. I just the other day me actually get rum. How much the back of them? 2 bills? Yeah man, 2 grams. Yeah, it's a natural honey.
Yeah, man, I really don't want that.
That is it, man.
Because I say if you want a bucket, you make it.
Banana. Grapefruit. However, lemon over here some. That is it, some planting right there, so. And sitting. Oh, see chocolate here. So this is what a chocolate looks like. And we have lychee. You actually grew up here? A lychee tree? Man, that's that. Wow.
With some light in it.
Oh yeah, for real. Look good. Mad thing. Grapefruit. Done. That the dog that does naturally skill because I hustling, you know? Because I hustling. Yeah. Because I hustling, so I have to do all the little tricks to get food. I'll show you this. Yeah man, so Jess, you ready? Yeah, don't play that. Please, stop it. Yeah. What's the food? As a perform for food? Open out here. Hajim, open out here again. Open out here. Martin. Alright.
Just another coconut water.
already
not
have
sweet.
Oh, you have coconut water in there too? Much you back with coconut water?
Yeah, alright.
Alright. I have to ice, me now, no, you can keep it on the side of yours? Me not, hold on, me look at me, I have side on mine. I have side thing. Yeah. Can put in you?
I get, yeah.
No, hold it with the toe and
Open and put in. Oh, and pull up. We good? I pay already? We good? Alright, ready? Cause we have far to go. Big up yourself, hear that? Yeah, man. Let's go. So massive the journey continues and we Jess, everybody, we have a far way to go, let's go. Oh, she can't whip out there, so she have to head back. Coffee, right up we're going. Look good. Wow, look on that cliff. Yo. We are up in a one place in a one party now, man. Look good. You see how many places in Jamaica were actually not populated as yet. Yeah, man, and we're doing it. Let's go. So this looks like a pickup. Abbey Green Estate. It's no trespassing. So Blue Mountain Peak Trail. There's a sign here you can read. So it says the Blue Mountain Peak Trail takes hikers to the highest point in Jamaica. The Blue Mountain Peak is 2,256 meters. That's 7,402 feet above sea level. See how high we're there? Starting here at Abbey Green, that's what? 414 meters at 1,360 feet. You hear that? That is it. Think you're going the wrong way. I think this is right here, so we should turn left, right? So this is where we're supposed to take it. Huh? No hunting, bird watching zone, no bird shooting allowed. That's something.
That's actually really good.
Come on, let's go over here. Alright, we're going up. There's some goats. Meh. See, I told you, see it? This goat is big, boy, in the buck here. Same big. There's some young ones here.
Can't believe she stopped for me.
Warning, do not take shortcuts to Portland Gap or to the peak. Keep on the trail. You hear?
Hi!
Where's out up on the right road? That is it. Wow, this is steep. Foot them gone ball out.
Now I'm gonna be puffing. Puffing.
Woo! Let's go. So, unfortunately,
Alright, let's wait for these guys.
somebody is actually backing down.
She's not continuing.
Yeah, she says
She's staying there.
she's feeling some
So-
pain.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So it's just us now. Ah, this is steep. Woo! We're going. So no shortcut. And it's like keep on the trail. Woo! So this is where we are. See where them just a turn. So massive. Woo! Amount of miles that I walk every week and thing. And this actually me a feeling on my foot. No joke, no doubt, it's serious. Let's go.
Help. Yeah, my legs are burning up. Yes.
Woo! And look how long the hill is.
You know, I have to start running again.
Yeah, open you can make it. Trust me, I'm worried about you. Ah, you're our talk. You're our, don't worry about me. Worry about yourself. Well said.
Burning. My lungs.
So I have water, I have coconut water. I have some other juice. So yeah. Okay. You don't want to slide, go down there, sir. No joke. Crazy mountainside. Whew. So far so good. It gets steeper.
Yeah, man. Alright, I'll be looking forward to the hike back down. Back down will be good. You feeling it on the
Rough.
rough?
I feel it.
Legs burn up. Lungs on fire. Look. Okay.
We are going good man. Why when I reach one time this actually a beer? Mango tree. Look like one East Indian or Or Julie. Let's go. Leave nothing but footsteps. Do not litter. Yeah. Blue and John Crow Mountain National Park. Let's go.
Jonathan, you good?
It gets steeper.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It gets steeper. Can't see that them do work to the road. Them dig it out from time to time. Keep it nice and clean. I'm literally climbing on my toe point. My toe point me I climb on. Like legit, see? This is how steep it is and I have to climb on my toe point. Oh yeah. Whew.
I'm sweaty.
Yeah, this is not for just some regular
see the sweat?
people. Yeah,
You
I
see the
sweat
sweat?
hard already. Shanti, Shanti, it's getting steeper. Huh? Oh. So, it gets steeper and the place it cool enough. It's actually cool, but me I sweat. Let's go. No. Well, actually, can see say them do work, then clean up the trail and thing. More coffee farm. Can you see how far we are? Up in the hills right there. Ah. It's crazy.
Let's go. Oh my god, it doesn't end.
That
Look
means
at it, steep.
get worse. Jano. Look at.
What, we're gonna get up there?
Yeah, up them side, up there we go.
What you mean? What you mean?
We're going up there.
You're
Look.
mad.
Yeah, it even drizzling.
Alright, I'm ready. We gotta get all the way.
I don't think me the bargain fee this bad. 2 point settings. Oh my word. Yeah, so wonder if this can make you get an idea as to how steep it is. Wow. We're almost in an hour. 1 hour. Shanti, almost an hour.
So anybody want to take on this trail? So no heart, strong. And in the lungs, are for good. And them here has to be perfect. Cause why? No.
And it gets steeper.
And it gets steeper. Oh my god. A good exercise. Yeah, good exercise.
Bad company.
Yeah.
So we are with really bad company right now.
I can't believe I'm supposed to call. I'm in sweet.
Yeah, me too. Me a sweat too. And it cool.
Oh my god.
The good thing is, okay, no, I think twice. When me look up this a while ago,
What the flat, you know? What is it, a flat?
I would say so. Me never did know say it would have really so steep. Me think it would have like just a. We're gonna die. We're not gonna make it.
Stop.
Listen, me, we're just bad. We're up on the earth whole heap of years before, you know.
So what you try to
No, them me attack.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. So when she say, see we are struggle, she must say, we're up on the earth long before, you know.
No.
When I start running it. Woo.
You're an avid hiker. I feel like this trail would be good for you.
Yep.
You know.
I must say, it is really cool though. Mommy can hear stuff I walk and thing in the bush. Probably birds. No, we have cameras and equipment. We wouldn't want that. Gets worse.
What?
Surf winner.
Wait there. Come on.
It get worse.
Does it get worse?
So we just reach a little bit of flat right as and then look there.
Tired.
Tired, boy. We're going. Oh, it's some bikers.
Come on, video.
They went to the beach.
You have a stick? I bet they didn't go up there with it.
I did.
They did? How was it?
It was good.
How far we are?
Oh, just started. Just started.
God.
We just started? Yes, sir.
Just started?
You're a tour guide?
No.
Oh, alright, big up.
How many
Oh.
An hour up. Okay.
From here, sir?
No. From the cabin.
Oh, from the cabin, an hour away?
Hours.
Let's move. He's saying that an hour from here, so to the cabin. And then, OMG.
3 hours, but look at this view.
Me, I'm trying to document it as best as I can so persons can actually see this trail. But look at that. Look at that. Wow. I'm trying to catch the signs too. So the sign says, alright. Yeah. So we are documenting the entire thing. I'm going to try my best not to stop recording. I'm going to capture everything. Me know so I can do it. Watch out. Me I sweat. She's running. Watch out, everybody have stick now. How far are we from there? From the peak?
Far. We're not far from Portland Gap. Once you reach Portland Gap, it's like what? 2 miles, right? Or 3? 3 miles.
Whoa.
That's
Where
like
you guys from?
Jamaica.
Yeah, so what is that is that Jamaica walk by?
Really?
Yeah.
Were you on, was it Vice?
Which one of them?
I don't
I've been on so many.
Investigating.
Oh, with Tyler.
crime.
Yeah, Tyler
Yes,
Oliveira.
you guys got robbed.
Yeah, that was me. Yeah, it's crazy to get robbed on camera. Yeah, it is a
Busted
camera.
right now.
Man, touch it. Big up yourself. It was crazy. Yeah, he said he came here and saying that. Yeah, you probably watched it yesterday. But you know what I mean? Imagine all of that, and there was nothing rigged about it. Everything that actually took place. It's crazy.
You guys need to go back for the cash.
Yeah, because me live Jamaica, me can't can woodlums in the street, and me have it in the street. They will find me, and the guy know me. So if I see me like, yo, Jamaica walk by, money there so. Yeah, listen to the guy. What you saying that? So you're gonna get some money from us, and so how much you making at night? Well, tonight, you think tonight be a man say, yeah, tonight will be a good night. You guys are here. Yeah, so it's crazy. So where in Jamaica you guys from? Like the parish? Kingston. St. Andrew.
Is this your first time walking?
Not mine. It's their first time.
Alright.
Oh, so you're like the tour guide?
No.
Yes, you're not the tour guide.
She'd walk longer than us.
I went all the way to the peak.
You walk from Mavis Bank.
Yeah. Last time. This time we walk from Jacob Bank.
You're more crazy than me.
Oh, yeah. We went to bed at the cabin at 2 o'clock and we went up there at 2 a.m. 2 a.m.
Yeah.
To walk to the peak.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Crazy.
It wasn't bad. Was it worth it to see the sunrise from up there? I couldn't see it.
The farm.
Oh.
Really good views though.
On a good day, you can see Cuba. Yeah, you can see Cuba.
Wow. She is Bless Up Jess. She's actually an upcoming YouTuber. It's really good. You want to give your Instagram a shout out? If you don't mind?
Sure.
Yeah, what's your
It's
Instagram?
Petula Charlize.
Say it again?
Petula Charlize.
Petula Charlize.
Yeah.
That is it. Jamaica Walk By. I wouldn't mind you follow Jamaica Walk By. Probably shot me a message the way that I don't mess up your Instagram name or me I search it and can't find it. What about you?
Ariel.Peart.
Ariel.Peart. What about you?
Wallflower.
Say again?
Where were you guys? Wallflower. WAUL flower.
And that's your real ear.
Yeah.
Mad thing. Big up. Respect. Yes, teacher. Yeah, as I reach, I say, woo, and I don't nearly I go. Alright, big up.
I'm jealous of you. I'm going back down right now.
Yeah.
Alright,
So,
let's keep it pushing.
that was so cool. Nice little conversation. I'm going up as we continue. Yeah, I heard you can actually see cool Cuba on a clear day.
I mean, you reckon it looks foggy today? I don't know how much we're going to see.
That may I say.
Let's see.
Others, bless up. Big up, respect. What is it? She said walk slowly. Alright, let's go. So I'm here with all my subscribers and we're going to do this. Big up to all my members. I don't know the thing go. All my YouTube channel members. Bless up, respect. Let's go. Yeah. So remember to be a member on Jamaica Walk By. The link in the description for you to get exclusive contents about Jamaica. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. Wow. Woo! We're doing it. Oh man. The view is beautiful. Wow. We are really in the height of Blue Mountain.
One thing, when we look at uno, can you put back uno?
Yes, sir.
And put them reach up here for them part of earlier.
You stalled a while ago. Greetings. Look and how high we are. We're way up. Oh my word, look at it.
One step at a time.
Bless up. Respect, that is it. Ooh. Look at this. go. Yeah. Can't hear a lot of bees and anything that too. Going up Blue Mountains, man. Up Blue Mountain Peak we're going. Up there. Signs. Oh man, let's go. Yo, it's getting cold. Imagine sweating in the cold. So there. We look like we soon can't see. Woo! Boy, boy. Yeah, man. Take a breather, and the trail gets steeper. It gets steeper. Look at that, and it's so misty. Look at that. Wow. Man, it's beautiful though. Super beautiful. It's just
Yeah,
good.
I've reached a point where I'm struggling to talk.
Bro.
I mean, but look, it's worth it, isn't it? It's beautiful.
It's crazy, man. Alright.
Quick pit stop.
Journey start again. Ah, it gets deeper. Yeah, man, that is it, man. The motivation. Motivation. Yeah, man. Me, I keep it cool, cause trust me. Yeah, Shanti. That is it. Zombie, think a movie.
You know how long 5 miles is?
Oh, we're just 1 hour in. Just 1 hour. And I feel like we're on top of the world. Look at that. Look at that. And let me go where the trees are, guys. It's kind of drizzling. Yeah. Yo, just a dead.
What you mean?
Burn up.
Hot.
Hot and cool. Burn up. Crazy. So it's it's misty. Don't feel like rain, it's just misty. Can you hear the wheel of the tree that I sing? Oh my word. Shanti, you good? Cool, they're so cool.
But we sweat.
It is. I can't hear the wind. Oh yeah, right at the edge. Right at the edge. I kind of yip up this step. There's a far way to go. If you watch this far, please, I'm asking you to like. Look down there. Don't fall. We're up in the clouds. Look. Up in that cloud. There's a sign here. That's it. We're going. Going. Oh my word. Woo! So, what y'all saying in the premiere in the comment section also. Let me see all the people them who actually do that walk here before. I hope everybody there is okay. You're doing well. Understand? Life is great. Be healthy. Exercise. if it's even a little, try to exercise and be happy, you know, and just live. There's some here, listen, loads of adventures in the world. If a Jamaican too, loads of adventure in a Jamaica that you can take on and have fun, you know? That's different. The world still a keep. Yeah. And Jamaica is beautiful. Some trees I see for the first time too. Up them places. Yeah, man. That way probably lead you down. Definitely not where we're going this side here. Yeah. The birds, everything does make it so nice. And don't get me wrong, this place is mad. It feels like New York. Yeah, to be honest with you, feels like New York. But you walk this, I go sweat. And who appreciate this video will definitely be watching right now. Like, yeah, man. If I ever make it run on your TV, if it's even, let it just run on your phone, and you just listen, and you watch from time to time. But I'm going to record the entire thing for my documentary, you know. Many years from now, people will be watching this just to see what Blue Mountain Peak and the journey looks like. Look at that. Can't make this up. You'll see exactly how Blue Mountain Peak set up and what you're cut out for if you want to do this. Or pretty much you're watching this like how I'm doing it. You feel like you're actually on the hill doing it with me. Got it? So I'm giving you the entire experience. Wow. I'll just take my time and go through. Yeah, man. So the road now get narrow. Yes, sir. And steep. So steep. And if you're afraid of heights too, yeah, don't trouble this, because look, right on the edges where I walk. See, right on the edge. Jess? Jess? Good. Alright? I'm setting 100. Let's go. Oh man, look at it. Beautiful. And they're saying a cabin is up here. How did they get it up here? Well, I guess they probably harvest the wood and everything else. But I wonder how they get like bed, everything. Like, this cannot be the only trail. There must be like off-road. Oh, there's a sign. So welcome to the Blue Mountain. Welcome to the Blue and Drunkra Mountain National Park. Protected National Heritage Site. Designed on January 9th, 2014. That's what it said. pinpoint some things. Yeah. We're going. Alright, Mr. Shanti and Jess. As a humble walk through. Yeah. Wow. This looks like the movies. In the jungle. In the jungle. Massive, listen for a while. She says something like ice cream truck. Oh yeah, I eat some too. Don't fall. Hey, they're moving very slow now. Probably have to go wave on them. Hiking trail, Blue Mountain Peak. Alright, let's take it slow. Look at these rocks. Your shoes comfortable? Man. Wow. Jess? Can't hear you. Hear them now? Jess? Well, we're walking super slow, we can't see now. So we wonder if it's alright. You alright? You no good? Seems like they're walking extremely slow. But we're not walking fast. Definitely does sound like, you know, when you're there in the woods, like really in the woods, and you hear them in the movie, I call out and I hear back yourself an echo. Oh my word. Let's go. So listen. Yep. So listen, massive, you don't want to get injured up here. So no shortcut. Just keep it on the trail and go. We're not sure about any medical supplies. So make sure you walk with all of your water. Drink it wisely. Take little baby sips. If you're not thirsty, just take a little sip and go through. You want to make sure you have on really nice shoes too. Maybe you can walk with a little first aid kit just in case. My name's so big. See what I'm saying? Yeah. way up on the cliffside. Little bit of clear. Wow. Trying to kill a little bit of time so then can get the catch up. Alright. Wow, let's go. Oh, there's a bird. I don't even know what kind of bird is that. Looks like it's not. I think it would be a ball plate, but it's not a ball plate. Is it? Nice. She's beautiful. No, so she'll go fly now. Look like one different kind of bird, like probably a ball plate. Beautiful, or pedo. A white wing. But this one has brown and some dark brown. Oh, there's more than one. Oh, they can run. Definitely ball plate. I saw that out flight. Whew. Thank God them place are not so steep. Whew. Yeah. See, here they are. See what they are. You hear it? Probably a bird. Woo. So many birds now. We not feed them habitat. Whew. How you feel? See me look a soldier. You can make it? Touch it. Yeah, go on. Where are they? Why are you moving so slow? We probably have to go wave on them up at the cabin. Oh! I can hear them. You can't hear them, no? I mean, they're close by. We're moving still. All my adventure people, listen, this is definitely for you. For you. Healthy lifestyle people, them. Yeah. Want a good exercise? Get your lungs pumping the right way? At this. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh yeah. We'll clear the way. There's a bike coming. Come on this side. Yeah man. That is it. Big up. Jamaica walk by, huh? Yeah. You say? A few.
Where did that take you?
And down there.
How much time?
Both.
The first time? The line first time?
Yeah, first time up.
Everybody?
Yeah.
It's $2
Eh?
Yeah, $2
For come up here? Eh?
Read none of the sign of Hungary?
You know I signed them the Avan. No. Me not see, me even one down we call it the first main gate.
Yeah man, it's fine. It's a big metal sign.
Oh, so there's $300 to walk the mountain.
And $20 for non-resident.
And 20 years for non-resident. Oh. But and guess what me know? I one person have the money person they down the trail. Because me if you get my money, I should have buy all of this stuff. Yeah, but at least the people them know now because we actually I film the entire thing. You know what I mean? So persons who actually come up probably can have an idea they say. Yeah, so all we know is what we pay though. Oh. So basically massive. So far you can understand probably for all the maintenance of the hill and thing because you can see say the place will limb up, the place clean and all of that. So
this week people was at the people who have been coming down to pick up the garbage and bush the chairs.
Yeah, I realized, I see a lot of work on the trail. I was documenting it too as well, saying that the trail is maintained. I see it limb off the edges, some of the parts, them dig off to like, you have to use like pickaxe or stuff to dig off the trail and make sure so you don't have sharp edge.
The trail not get too bad.
Yeah, you can see it, man. You can definitely see it. So we nice actually pay the 300. Your real equipment this. Yeah, mad. So I wonder how them build the cabin up there, because I know say no ATV can pass us. You can't carry all of them wood and anything.
Manpower lift everything carry.
Blouse and skirt. Crazy. Manpower.
Yeah, man.
Alright. We've been away, come in. How much? Yeah.
Come up, sweetheart.
Come up.
Enjoy yourself.
Where Jess?
You're doing your day.
Yeah.
You're doing a day. I can need to
World
check
equipment.
out yourself and take your time and go.
So yeah, massive, you don't know. So I'm pretty much one of the ranger up here to make sure so everything good. And the trail maintain and all of that. So there's a fee. It actually depends on the site, the site, the sign down below.
Yeah.
Just you have change, don't it?
What's the fee?
$300. What about the kids?
How much per fee now?
This are we. This is us. Yeah.
Go up?
Yeah, there's a small fee. Yeah, like no, to walk the trail. Yeah.
That's $20 per fee.
So apparently there's a small fee.
But you want to hear the bad part? So we Jamaicans and everything, so 20 US for you. Do you have that?
Eh?
Do you have that?
I only have
$300 for wait.
days.
20 US.
3,000.
3,000. Do you have that amount of money? Ah. So she not get discount like how she read like Jamaican foreigner. We live Jamaica.
Can't give me a discount.
And then when you go to the app, you mark it, that's the only discount.
Oh, you not call it for your kids then?
Okay.
3,000.
Alright. Yeah, if you look at it, because me have to go, me will give back
I don't know
all
if
the
you guys
money.
heard that, but like if you climb the trail, it's 300 for Jamaicans and then like
20 US.
so 3,000 Jamaicans. Look at that price difference.
Yeah.
Tourist
it-
tax is in that.
Yeah.
Not really pressure them. The reason for it why Jamaican pay that less because the Jamaican live.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
they
an
pay
hour
tax
thing.
every day.
Yeah.
Tourists just come and go, so that's the reason.
That's the reason.
Yeah.
You get that? You
Yeah.
see how you
So
sweat?
is this what you do? Like you go up and down the mountain and, or is there an
Yeah, he's
office
like a
that-
ranger.
Yeah.
That, see,
Ah.
maintenance.
You know. So we stay here over the weekend, like from Friday, and leave go home on Sunday. During the week, you come like from 8 o'clock and come back home 4 o'clock in the week. On the weekend, when people at the cabin, you stay from Friday and go home back in Sunday.
Sunday. Alright, so you have some cards there that when you pay, you get the cards and to see that you actually paid.
Big up my right name is Silford Ogilvy.
Big up every time, Silford, manners and respect. Yeah. I'm a YouTuber, Jamaica Walk By, you see it? Yeah, and this is a YouTuber too as well. Her name is Bless Up Jess.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And we're
And
just close
the-
to the bike tours, ATV
Alright, let's pay
tours,
this man.
To Blue Mountain from Kingston, from Portland.
yeah,
So these are all gifts.
yeah. Mad
Come
thing.
on, stay. On my job.
Yeah, we're there about Jabby.
So
Yeah.
how much did you say it was?
3006.
Do you have change?
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, that's the ticket. You can put it on your pouch so we don't last it. Yeah. That is it. So massive. I'm glad I pounced up on him because we get some information as to what we can share and say so that more people can come. As a Jamaican, it's really nice. I guess this will make more Jamaican come. It's only $300 for us.
Yeah.
That's a win.
300 compared to 3,000. Oh
So
my goodness.
all I foreigner make and to me $3,000. Cause if you go Mystic Mountain, if you are Jamaican,
Is it?
a crazy money.
What?
Yeah, it's expensive.
3,000 for
A couple
Jamaicans to go
thousand you
Mystic
pay.
Mountain?
A Mystic. Tell her that. So this a joke thing. Trust me. So see I get your change and thing. Put away your thing good. And luckily you actually walk with the money. Cause me actually walk
Yeah,
with my
so
pouch.
if we didn't walk with money and like what would happen?
Yeah, probably could I tell him say we there by Jabby.
We are Jamaican and we are people. If you don't know and it is your first time, then we give you a blind. But if you know and try to force and not to do, then
Yeah.
we can close the gate and turn it.
Okay.
Turn
So
over.
the money that like is paid, who does it go to? Like I guess like help. Obviously
out
you,
to-
the rangers.
Yeah, as you can see.
You go out to maintain the trail.
Maintain
That's
the
pay
trail.
the person who work on the
Okay.
Yeah,
trail.
that is
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Big up every time,
Yeah,
man.
big up
Respect, eh?
yourself.
No, me not smoke, but you don't know a thing, go.
Because of
Yeah, man. Respect, see? Blessings, hear that? Cool. So as you can see, massive, the trail is very well maintained. You know what I mean? As you can see, all time to time you have caution tapes. So that means that them pretty much really doing stuff. And you can see the chop down, the hill chop, and you can see limbs tear down. Them bank the road, everything. And it's clean. Yeah. Jess, walk travel, please. Let's, yeah. Ride and whistle. Ride and whistle. Yeah, walk and sing. Yeah. Because I'm trying to film the entire thing, so I don't want to stop. Yeah.
Yeah. So 300 for Jamaicans and then 3,000 for tourists. It goes to like the trail, like respective ranges and stuff like that. So
Ooh.
what else did he say to you, Fabian, when you called him at the start? Was there any other information that he gave you?
Pretty much that's it, you know, about maintaining the trail, you know what I mean, keep the trail active, and as you can see, this have to be maintained, because some part you can see, them get concrete, cement and thing for build these, so that people can actually walk safely, and you can see a lot of the trees and the limbs are cut, and all of that, and not in my bag. That's why I'm limiting the use for it. Yeah. So pretty much that's it. You never answered that one day. Going. Yeah. You know, tell the truth, Jess, I was wondering that I don't think it was free for us though to walk this. I was really wondering and thinking about it, like one day when we reach a cabin, somebody gonna be there saying that you have to pay. So I could have tell, because I was talking about it, the whole maintenance of it. I'm saying that somebody has to be doing it, so that person probably deserve a little something, so that we can enjoy this. Yeah. So good to really buck up on one of the mountain ranger. Yeah. As we go, we're gonna run this, so you can catch the up ahead. I don't know, Shantia do our thing. Well, we can't talk about it in the video because I don't know YouTube program. Yeah. You can't even show it anymore.
Yeah, I know.
It's rough. Even TikTok too? Damn, it's crazy. Damn. Like in general, like all of it. But wow. What about vape? Oh, it's crazy. Oh, man. So we're gonna stay closer now. Yeah, let's go. So it's getting misty now. Oh no. The hike is getting worse. Yes? Good? Everybody good? Great. Let's go. Wow. That blue is so heavy. What happened? What happened? Yeah, I'm trying to move too because
Yeah,
I don't want the rain.
I've got a second leg of strength.
I'm trying to yap it up. We're good? Shanti, alright?
I'm struggling a bit.
I'm trying to like, through the...
I wonder if we'll lose any more members. Squad.
No, we can't lose no more at this point. So far.
We've lost one.
Yeah.
We've got 5 left. And
You see, I just want to keep it moving, cause
yeah, keep it pushing.
I want to keep filming. I want to make sure I get at least straight to the cabin.
Yeah. So did he say like what? How long it took to get to the cabin? That ranger guy?
I asked him that question. Somehow
Yeah.
I forgot about following up on the question
Okay.
to let him answer it. But
Well, I'm gonna predict maybe another half an hour, 45 to the cabin.
yeah,
Well, because when we passed those hikers, they said it was like another hour and a half. So, but then they said like another 3 hours to the peak.
wow.
I don't know if we're about to do all that.
Probably stop at the cabin for a while.
Maybe take a rest.
Yeah. That is it. We're moving. We're still recording, still filming. Let's go. I just don't want the rain to come heavy.
I mean, but you know what I could use right now? A river to just like swim in. It's hot.
Oh, no rain, no rain, no rain, please. Keep the camera.
Yeah, because our cameras are not waterproof.
Nope. And I have the waterproof case for the pocket too, but I took it. I might start using it for the next journey. Yes, I did. And let me stop here for a while.
Stop.
So, need a little shelter. Shanti! Struggling. I don't want to stay too far. I don't want you to be too far, so try to keep it tight. So I'm filming straight. I just want to keep, kind of moving that way that I can save battery. So yeah, so the jazz entertainment people, bike life. I want to experience the nice, rich life. Yeah, so you see, that's why we stop right under that tree here. So, ready?
What is that?
Some creature, I've been hearing so many weird creatures. Yeah. Hear that? Let's go. Hope it's not a tsunami warning. Wonder what I have could like cover it. If I keep it over here, I should be good, you know? It's not really getting wet over here. So I can keep it. Just one thing do it mad beautiful. Look at the mist. See the fog? Oh, can I see? I can see. Yeah, we can see the cabin. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Woo! I can see the cabin. That's it. So the cabin actually right in the mistiest part of the mountain. Let me catch a sign. Sign, look at the sign. Yeah, you can read it. That's it. Let's go. Because of the rain, I'm trying to. It's like mist, and the mist is on the trees, so it's running from the trees and coming down like rain. It's another sign here.
Oi.
That's it. Finally. Yeah.
What if I give up?
So we reached the cabin. Nice. Food. This is it. Wow. Woo, so beautiful. Right up a little bit of flat here. So let me just get some shelter at this cabin number 1. See? Built with funding funds from Tourism Enhancement Fund.
So we still have to walk?
Eh?
We still have to walk?
Yeah. This is just the cabins. Up here. Alright, so as you can see, it don't look like rain, but it's like mostly mist. Oh yeah? Don't put your hand in there or anything yet though. Pipe? Oh, see the sign say water. Let me run over here. Water cool like ice. Reach the cabin. So there's a big sign say water.
Nice little get stuck in leaves. But yeah, it's currently raining. We're gonna take a break here.
Alright. Look at it.
Reassess whether we're gonna climb to the peak or not.
So we are way up in the mountains, massive. Look at that. This is just too beautiful. and it's cool, like literally feel like New York. Yeah, so far so good. We reached the cabin. I'm trying to find a name or so to see what's the name of the cabin, but yeah, as a G said, nobody not up here now. So yeah, we're there. It's great. So I suppose that way forward we go continue, but we're gonna kick it here for a while, and then you know what I mean, when the rain kinda ease off a little bit, we're gonna take it on again. So if you watch this far, please may I beg you, like the video. Please like the video. If you're watching and not yet subscribed, please may I ask you to subscribe. See? That is it. And make sure so now full up the comment section. Drop at least 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 comment. Comment on the video. You understand? That is it. Big up to all my die-hearted subscribers them too. You know what I mean? Diane Hunt. Today is actually your birthday, but you probably see that video here after your birthday. So I'm gonna say happy belated birthday to as well. But happy birthday for today, and I wish you many more. Big up Diane Hunt every time. She's currently in Jamaica right now, enjoying the island. You know what I mean? So big up Diane, big up all my members. They don't know. Super appreciate every single one I know. All of them long time subscriber them, big up every time. You understand? We're there, the video not done. See? Look good. Oh, you actually pack fruit.
Yeah. Oh no, I brought this at where the guy was.
You down the hill?
Yeah, remember the fruit guy?
Oh, I didn't know. I think you just did have like where you just did eat.
Nah, it's a grapefruit. See if we can peel it.
Oh, mad thing. Yeah, man, that is it. Let's do this. Yeah, massive. So we're moving and we're heading to the peak now. So nice little pit stop at the cabin. Look at the mist. Mad something. Nice little circle, clean and nice. And we're moving. Yeah. Outside with it. Wow. Might as well go to the peak. Whew. It gets really cold. So I'm actually change me, not even change, me put on my other shirt now over my skin to kind of get cool a bit. And the journey continues again. Super beautiful. Wanna say please give the video a thumbs up. Yeah. If you really like the video, see? Yeah. And if you just want to support Jamaica Walk by liking the video and leaving a few comments, I would super appreciate it. And thank you so much for 150,000 subscribers. Yeah, one road to 1 million subscribers. That is it. Big number, but I'm full of faith. Remember me tell you, oh, there's a sign here, say, to the ranger station. Yeah, man. Let's go. Yeah? That's what? That is it, man. So we're moving. Look at the mist. Look at the temperature. Massive. It is super cool. It feels like you're in New York near to the winter time. Yeah. Oh, I have my phone. I suppose I can see the temperature. Let me see if I can see. Where's the weather? I try. So right now the temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. Mad thing. Or because my phone in my pocket. Let me see. I don't know, but I think it's colder than that. I think it's really colder than that. Cause it just I say St. Thomas. So remember, you have to be careful. So as you can see, maintenance to the place, cleaning the trail and all of that. Woo. Shanti find a stick. No, that's good. Wow, careful. Got to be careful. Wow, your shoes is key, you know. You have to have on really comfortable shoes too, you know.
Yep.
So just ready.
Yeah, man. I feel like this leg's much more comfortable than what we
Started with.
Yeah, because it's not as like steep. And it's got flat parts and we're going down a bit.
Yeah, fine.
We've
I
come
first.
the right way.
Well, yeah, we should be. Well, if it's a.
Just be careful.
See you next time there. Avoid shortcuts, stay on the trail. It's the first time we take a little down.
Yeah. Be careful because it might be slippery. You never know. Raining. Careful.
What a journey.
Do you think if you're here by yourself, you'd be scared to walk this alone?
Huh?
by yourself, you would be scared to walk this alone.
Me?
Yeah.
No,
No?
it don't give me that.
No?
Probably not in the night
Oh yeah.
because we're like way in the jungle.
Yeah.
So I'm sure there's wild animal and probably snake and them thing there.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that. You can see the water channel down here. So the one them probably at the zoo. But listen me, Jamaica is not everywhere in Jamaica.
Reindeer in Portland.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
People catch them.
So the habitat tends to differ
Mhm.
the further you get from people. You know? Because I see some birds a while ago, at first me ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
Actually, I feel like look up on them something. I don't know what is these. I've never seen things like these. I don't know what is that. I've never seen it. I don't know. Probably can be a fungus too. Ah, you're putting it up.
Yeah, I've never seen like.
Oh,
Some rocky paths.
yep.
Yeah.
Up we go. This is extreme.
Alright, it's getting steep now.
What I like when they do the trail, you know, them a place where them box the water off and stuff like that, like these ravines. Slippery. We were right down there. I see the trail there. Yeah. Whew. Turn here. Wow. It's like a U-turn. And we are gas. Beautiful. More of the thing. Everybody good? Woo woo! Hip hip! Hip hip! That is it. What do you mean? Let's do this. Anybody in the comment section can just tell me what is these things? I really don't know. But it looks like some people cut away some of them or something. So probably it could be used as something. So it's this way. Look at this tree, it's just green. Nice. Just a tree. I kind of smell something that we normally get to drink tea. I'm not sure what it is. Wow. Is there fog coming from my mouth? Oh. Shanti. Good. Way up on the mountain. I've honestly never seen a video like this of Blue Mountain Trail or of Jamaica. Never.
I'm tired now.
And cold. Wow. I'm so glad I'm recording this. So happy I'm recording this. This is Jamaica, people. Oh my word. Y'all good? Should we keep going? It's getting rainy. Should be this way. It's getting crazier. Wow. It's getting crazier, man. Yeah. Like the weather is changing. Winding on, more narrow, more slippery. Look at that. Wow. All right.
It's very misty. You right, girl?
Shanti, mash up. Up again. So it's actually raining, or is the mist stay on the trees and then condensate and falling off. Something like that. What's going on here? We're in the jungle. Wow. Whoa, it's getting heavier. As the trail gets longer and longer. More signs. More signs. Yeah. Whoa. Going.
We're 2.5 miles from the peak. Is that long?
2.5 mile. Whoa. 2.5 mile. Kinda, yes. That is long. That's what the sign said? Ah. 2.5 miles from the peak. From here. Oh boy. Massive, I'm just trying to catch as much as I can for y'all, so you can currently see all the persons who, like elder or grown folks that cannot do this. I'm doing it for you. I do it for all of you. Yes, just.
Yeah, man. We're out here doing it. We're out here doing it.
I do it.
Going right to the peak. I didn't think we would, but you know, have to.
Let's go. Let's get it. We're going to the summit.
Was it you that said this is the highest point in Jamaica?
Yeah, it's not me saying it, you know, it is.
It is.
We're going to the highest point in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Remember, you have to be careful too as you're walking. That's a far drop. Sometimes places broke away. Landslide. Can you hear them?
You good, guys? Alright, you want us to wait? What? What? Yeah, 2.5 miles. Is that long?
Oh my word. Let me see. Oh, this is there. Right there. I wish like I had a piece of plastic, like I could just cover this with. You know what I mean? I'm gonna definitely invent something that I can probably use in case I'm in the rain. Like, look, strap it on and cover this thing. Up we go.
I can't believe I actually did.
Adventure.
Yes.
Doing it for the content.
Mm-hmm.
And we're doing it for us too, cause it's beautiful.
Yeah. Life is for experiences.
Wow. Not for the faint of heart. Your foot will sleep on you. Whoa. Careful. Stay on the trail. More rain. There? As we go. Woo! Oh my word. My hands are burning now. Cause may I use my phone for all over the camera to block off the immediate water from falling on this camera. Alright. Let's go. You good? What is it?
I think I lost my wide lid.
A while ago when?
I don't know.
Just a while ago?
I mean, it's not on there anymore.
It probably fell off in your bag. Wait, did you took the camera out a while ago? Where did you take the camera out your bag out? Just there? Alright, let me see if I can assist just a bit. We could look, let me just look together right there where you took the camera out. Or probably in the bag.
Remember I put it, like when I put it in, like it had it on there, like the last time I put
That's
it on,
what I'm
it
saying.
on there.
Probably fell off in the bag.
You reckon?
Yeah. Where exactly did he took it out?
Just right here.
Alright, hold on before we continue massive. Hold on. Alright, so we found it. So it's actually the wide angle lens for the Osmo Pocket 3.
It's, you know how many times I've almost lost it? Like so many times. Because it's just a little magnet thing.
Yeah, true. Alright, let me. You recording?
Yeah, you go.
Alright. It always happened to me when you're taking it. If you have it on there, when you're taking it out your bag, that's when trouble happens. You don't want it. You good? Yep. 2.5 miles. kilometers.
But yeah, but after doing anything, let me show you what the view of what I'm seeing, and then I'm gonna put my camera away because I don't want it to get like too wet. So
I
let me
just
show you.
under this tree.
Alright, so we're continuing our
Man, we're there. Look good. So we
Alright,
just
yeah, so continuing our journey up. I'm gonna put my camera away for a little bit because it's raining and I don't want to like damage the mics or anything like that. So I'll check back in with you guys shortly. We're gonna
That is
keep
it.
heading forward. Alright, let's go.
ready again.
Alright.
I'm still on it, still recording. You know what I mean? So I have to have my phone over the camera, so let's do it. Ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Up there. Look on what awaits us. Hell.
I'm gonna put my wide leg down.
Yeah. Let's go. Whew. Probably about 2 miles now. That is it. Wow, look at that. We are move. Your legs them off it good.
The legs are strong. Oh shit.
Woo. It's wild, man. Yo, tell you what, we can't see any more land.
We can't see.
No,
We're that high up.
we're that high up. All I can see is like it's like clouds, man.
Yeah. We're way up in the clouds.
There's no more land. Simply crazy mist or
Yeah.
cloud. Oh man. I wonder if it's gonna be like this the entire thing. Oh no. Look at that. Oh boy. Oh man.
Oh my goodness. That's steep.
Yeah. I want to take the other battery pack out.
Whew.
This one probably finish.
You want me to hold something?
Yeah, take the one out of my bag. And there's a card in there.
Which zip? The first one?
Yeah, the first one. Then take out the longer card. Yeah. Oh my word, look at this.
What do you mean on the card?
Yeah, no, card. Like a longer cord.
A cord?
Yeah.
I thought you said card.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
You
Put
want me to
this.
put anything in here?
Yeah. Yeah, let me see. But this says it is full. Alright, I'm gonna watch it. Like, can you just put it somewhere? Yeah. Alright, let me switch. Alright, I'm gonna watch it.
Alright, so put this back?
Alright, give me the card. The cord. And put this one back. Let me see. Alright, massive. We're there. Just a little short intermission. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Let me see. Nothing there. Alright. Let me see if it's there. Yeah. It's actually plugged in. I just want to make sure it's plugged in. It's good. Alright. Let's go. On the trail. This is what I'm talking about, Massey. You're gonna see your eye up we are. Hold on a second. Let me show you this. Hold on. Look on how high we are. Look at that. This is how high we are. We can't see the land anymore. We can't see the land anymore. So you can't tell the sky different from the level. This is how high up we are. It's crazy. So if you look at Jess, you can tell that we are crazy on a mountainside like Mount Everest,
Yeah,
but it's
man.
Blue Mountain.
We're up in the clouds.
Look at that. It's crazy. Let's go. Moving on. Let's go through here. And it's just raining straight. Oh no. Just, I wonder if I'm gonna get to film. It's getting worse. A little bit of flat. And it's both sides. You can see through there. Look. Oh no. You guys gonna go? No. But yeah, the keys are wet. Hey, you just gave me an idea. You're so smart. Yeah. Jess, can you take the phone out and give me the phone?
Case?
And just give me the case. Yeah. I didn't even thought of that. Yeah. Yeah. Who said that? It was you? Oh, that's great. Mad thing.
Your umbrella.
Yeah.
Which one is called? Yeah, the top of the moon.
I think we soon reach. Yeah, it changed to must now.
Look there, look, you see?
I realize.
Top.
I don't think we're at the top yet. From 2.5 miles? No way. And they're saying that it's like 3 hours from the cabin. So I don't think we're nowhere near. Yeah? Car, watch your step now. This looks slippery. And then up there. Up there, up there. Let's get out. Muscle. I'm sure Shanti must have said, I went to Blue Mountains and I'm not going back. Hey Shanti, I'm sure that's what you're saying right now. Say, I went to Blue Mountain Peak and I'm not going back. But I walk for a living. Whew. Stay on the blank or stay on the dash. Oh man, it's crazy. The weather is getting worse. Massive, I'm sacrificing my camera to get these footage. Oh man, we soak. We are soaked. Yep, it's definitely raining now. Big up to DJI because this camera's still going strong. Man, gotta be super careful. Tired. It's worth it. You can tell the grandkids and tell them to go try it. And you're getting pushed.
Oh my god. Next time, leave me.
Leave nothing but footsteps. Alright, let me pass. Can you bring all my zippers to the side? Good? Alright, let's go. Thank you.
I'm hungry.
I have snacks. Huh. Nope. The camera people never dies, and we always make it. There's a stone in the way, watch it. Oh. Can't see nothing. Watch your step where you go there. Made it. No. We're just showing them that we can't see nothing. Look. Let's go. Ain't no stopping, man. See why it's important to stay on the track. This phone case is really working. Do you have a phone case, Jess? You have an iPhone case? Yeah, you can use it too. Huh? Oh. I gotta focus on like a couple things well right now. Make sure what I'm videoing makes sense, covering it, and walking. Mad raining, no? It's mad raining. It's raining. Yeah? Oh no. Jess! Run, come here. Anyone out? Anyone? Flip my phone around. It's set the wrong way in my pocket. No, no. Flip it around. No, no. Yeah. Huh? Go.
Wait, can we find like cover? I might need to put my like cover in like a space too. I don't know waterproof my bag.
Yeah, for real. Yeah. I don't know where we're gonna find that now with this rain. Yep. And I wonder if there's no pit stop. Or can you believe that probably the cabin was the only pit stop? Two and a half miles down. I'm gonna see where I'm gone. Yeah, I think so. It's just full. What do you want to cover? Good. They're still going. To the peak of the mountain. It's kind of shaped like a man sitting down. Huh? Hey, Shanti, tapping a gas pedal. Alright, I'm gonna step in mine too.
Yeah, is it alright?
Do you reckon you could show to me? Just while
Get it done. There's a hat on the ground.
Don't block where. I said stationary, yeah. Sit there. Yeah. Make for them out here. Oh my god. Why? I just think that
Oh my word. You good?
yeah, I'm soon come.
We're on it. Stringer. Jet. Burn up. Like you contemplate, what is I'm gonna do? Man. Ready? Oh no. Don't fall down there. No way. You see how misty it is? They're coming? Yeah. I wouldn't mind the rain just ease up. Up there. Oh my word. Not in the job in description at all.
not in the one. I am going to go mountain
not coming back. Crazy.
Wow.
Anytime me I'm getting to come up Blue Mountain, believe me, I see somebody starting.
Yep.
Boy.
And we have to do it to go back. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. True, true. We are go up hill. I wonder if we put it in Google Maps, if it will come up. To see how far out we are from the peak. That me I say, we'd have to go stay up there a couple of days. And me I continue. Oh no. Oh man. It's getting worse. Oh no. Oh.
They're dripping.
Yep. And the rain just not ease up. Hey, we always just see the video. Oh, this is me going to Blue Mountain. Ah, this is me when I reach. Yeah, that's the videos I saw. Nope. And then you see the next big clip say, oh, this is us reaching Blue Mountain. Ah, beautiful. Like you just snap a finger and reach. Huh? Jess.
Yeah, man.
Shanti's having deja vu.
She don't know. She wants to reach.
Yeah.
Your feet wet.
Huh?
Your feet wet.
Everywhere. I'm soaked. There's no flat, yo. This
Same
can't
for the
be.
faint-hearted.
This can't be. Look at Jess. Stand up. All you can see all your face.
Look at that, dripping. Absolutely dripping.
Oh my god. Does the lens look? How the lens look on the camera?
It has a few droplets on it.
Alright.
I mean, you want me to wipe it?
Alright, hold on. Hold on
What-
guys,
what's the
commercial
video
break.
look like?
Alright, so we just actually tried to clean off the lens a little bit because it got foggy. Oh no, it's much cleaner and nice. Alright. Yeah, just clean off the lens and it's much cleaner now as we go, and it's not that foggy up here. Whew. Oh my word, bro. Let's go. Anytime I see a part look like this, I know I say we're nowhere there. Can you do the honors for me? Jess,
Yeah, man.
you ain't bargain for this.
Yeah.
You ain't bargain for it. Man, thank you. Let's go. Let's do it for the people. And truck. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. I barely I go. We have on the backpack. I have a camera in my hand there. Two on there. This look promising. So everybody watching this, listen, this will actually be a video to prepare you for this and the things you're gonna need and the things you should have. Yep, let's do not do it. Huh? It's crazy. I said, you guys continue. Yeah, I want to see one to say you are now XYZ miles. Yes. It's not so bad though. Oh no. Oh no. I'm so burnt out. Oh man. Yo, these kids are strong. No. That cannot be it. Are we about to go? Oh no. Oh. Look at these stuff. Oh man. View area. Can't see nothing there. Can you see nothing? What do you feel?
Wet.
Wet.
So.
So look. Look if you see any more miles or stuff to go
It would
under.
be good if they had like a, you know, this many minutes to the top or this many miles to the top, but we've only seen.
Look on the sign, see if I see anything that says
Is it
anything.
2 miles?
Like the sign that we saw. Like
Yeah, that was a while ago, hey. Yeah. I reckon at least an hour and a half.
shoot.
So I reckon we've got another hour and a half to go.
Oh man, no.
Because them said 3 hours is the peak from the cap.
Oh man. Alright. Let's go. So we're soaking wet and we're tired and I'm filming with my backpack on my back. I have a bunch of stuff in there and my legs are beginning to get weak. And the trail just seems like it has no end. Oh my word. And the rain is falling. And guess what? It's cold on top of that. So you can just imagine how we feel right now. I'm so exhausted. Whew. I'm gonna need a month rest after this. So please, I'm asking y'all to just like the video if you're watching this far, so you can understand. Look at that. Oh no. It's getting worse. Oh no. Whew. What are you doing, man? Keep walking and stopping, yo. The guys that said they weren't coming, I feel like they walk it before. And then just back out from Hurley, say, yo, we're not coming. Even the girl, she's so smart to stop where she did.
Which one?
What's her name? That stopped by the Rasta man. Yeah. That was very smart. Because you imagine if she was like way up here and wanted to stop or to turn back. That would be impossible. Just continue. You're nearer to the summit other than at the peak, other than going back or stopping. I'm finally seeing some light, like some light of day. Oh no. I'm not doing this again.
I am not doing this again ever. This does not come with the tour. This does not come with the tour.
Like,
If they want you to take them, it's extra.
no, you have to get somebody like,
This?
yeah, with a serious, yeah, you just point them in the direction. Hey, you see how down at the infoot was just so welcoming and smooth, and yeah man, but right, even right before we get the van, it was so like, yeah, this is gonna be nice. I have a next guest coming. Huh? I'm hoping, because we're so high up right now. Like, we're super high up on the mountain right now. And the trail just keep getting longer. Oh cool, yo. Oh no, man. Jaja. Anybody wants to do this, get ready. And the rain just a fall. Do you think you're nearby?
Feel it.
Yeah, and it gets. Look at this. That we have to go up right now. Even water running down there. Who said that we were gonna get back by 12 or 1? That me think. Listen. People, look how far up in the sky we are. See that? You can't tell the difference between the sky and where we're at. Let's go. Hold on, let me just climb up here. Jesus. Look at that. Look at where we are. Oh my word, look at that. Man, I'm trying to avoid the thing that I tell you about with the, you know, I'm just here. With them. I'm trying to avoid what I tell you with YouTube.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
These shoes rocks, man. Like literally your shoes rocks. On the rock. Do me a favor, plug this card out and plug it back in.
You know it's wet,
This one,
yeah?
yeah.
You want me to dry it?
No, just plug it right back in.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. I soon do another pit stop. Anyways. Oh yeah. We're going to the mountains, going to the mountains, going to the mountains.
Alright, slowly. We're reach.
The sign says no fires. Alright. I wonder if they're saying that no fire means when you get to the peak, do not light any fire. I'm hoping that's the case. Oh no. Whew. Please make it be it. At this point, I don't even business about the puddles. That's it. I walked for 5 hours and 45 minutes the other day.
Really?
Yeah, I walked from one town to another town. So the difference is with this is that we're going uphill and it's raining and thing and cool. That walk was like in the sun, so the sun was dread. So I walked from in the day to the night. Can you stuff my phone in my backpack?
Put it in your backpack?
Yeah. Same way.
Yeah.
And draw the zip right back to the side.
Back to the side.
Yeah. All the way back to the side. I can hear people. Good? I can hear people. I'm starting.
Hello?
I just say hello.
Or maybe it's the peak.
Yeah, whoop.
Maybe it's people at the peak.
Are people coming down?
At least we can ask them how.
And this guy not on a shirt. Tell me that we're near to the peak. Huh?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? About how many minutes? 45 more minutes?
4 or 5? No, like probably about 25.
Probably about 25.
Yeah, yeah, another mile, maybe
Alright.
mile and a half.
Where you from?
Canada.
Canada, big up Canada, alright?
Big up you as well. You filming this?
That's it, yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Nice, bro. Nice.
Big up every time. Big up. Big up. Greetings. Yeah, bro, touch it, elbow it. That's it. You cool? You're soaked, man.
Huh?
You're soaked.
It's raining, what do you expect?
Yeah, you're from Canada too? All of you?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's it. Bless up, we're doing it, alright? It's Jamaica walk by, cool?
yeah.
Ah,
Alright. Let's have yourselves.
and that's YouTube. Yeah. Oh no, so this guy is saying that's another 25 minutes. 25. About another 25. Ah, look at that. So, yeah, we are all the way to the top, Jess.
Yep. 25 minutes. We can do that.
Yeah,
Light work. What do you mean?
that them say? Ah. Oh no, man. I'm gonna do a change of battery. Alright, massive, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna change this battery. See? Let's do it. Alright, that was a little commercial break as I changed the battery, or the batteries. Yeah. So we're still going again. So we didn't move or anything, we just changed the battery. And we're off. Another 25 minutes, so since we stopped, I'm gonna look at this to see if, based on how many minutes in to the top. Alright. It is so cool. okay? Jess? You all good? Come on, let's go. Oh no, man, look at that. Yo, look at that. We are way up. You see? Dangerous shortcut. Stay on trail. You hear? So, know that. There they are. I'm catching up. Jamaica. Got the road. Slippery. I'm so tired. Shanti, I can see that you're hardly going because me too. Jess? Wicked. Wicked. Oh man. The maddest life, man. You can only do this once. How do you feel? How tired? Can't even talk, eh? Good? Oh no. Be on your toes, yo. I just need a breather. Let's go. I just want to big up the person who actually doing the maintenance and stuff to this road to make it be a trail so that a person like myself and others can explore and experience this. Oh no, man. Woo. Big up. Big up to every single one of you. We do clean up, yeah. Do all of this. Kudos. Right now we're looking at the sky. And look up. If I'm actually seeing trees and things above me, that means we have a far way to go. Yeah. I look up and I'm seeing higher points. Sorry. Jess, I can see mountains up. I can see mountains up higher. If we are going to the highest point, we're not supposed to see anything up. Alright, let's go. It may have some more hill and stuff up. That means we are still not there. And the rain are coming again harder. Got it? What time is it? Jesus. Look on the hill there. More hill on top of hill. Me nah give up. Me nah give up. Me nah give up. I can do it. Nah give up. My shoulders are burning from holding the camera and everything. I'm on this big backpack. But me nah give up. Nah give up. All of my viewers and subscribers are walk with me. Nah give up. My grandma walk with me. Everybody grandma, grandfather, handicap, cripple. We do it for all of them people. We are go through. Blue Mountain Peak we are go. To the peak. Rain again. Although it never ease up, but it just keep falling. What a day we choose to come up here. Look at that. They're nowhere in sight. Where are they? I don't see them. Ah, there she is. That's one. Please put your shoes on. Yeah, you have to put your shoes on. Put it on properly. No sign. But it looks promising though. It looks promising. No man, you can't come that far on top. No man, we can do it. We can do it. We can do this.
Almost reach where?
We can do it. Come on, Jess. How much hour? Jeez. We can do it. We are 16 minutes in from the last time they said about 25. Yeah. In.
Someone said 45.
And somebody, a guy said no, it's not that long. It's about 25 minutes. And I trust his judgment. So let's see. He said it was about 25 minutes to the peak. We're crumbling. Yeah, mad thing. No man, we sit here now. Burn up, we see it man. I mash up too. That is it. YouTube ain't easy. It's not. But we can do it. Shanty stop. YouTube ain't easy. It's not. Big up to all my YouTubers in Jamaica. Big up to all my YouTubers worldwide who is doing this. adventure thing, you know. Regardless of what you do, anything you do. Oh man. I think this look promising. This look like the top. Shanti! Come on, it look like this is it. Sorry guys, I'm lying. I'm just trying to motivate.
You've been saying that for the longest.
I'm trying to motivate Shanti! Yeah, I think we're almost there. I can see it. Come on, Shanti!
Oh, guys, this ain't easy. This is probably literally one of the hardest things I've done in my life.
Yeah.
For real.
I can second that too. Oh man. Let's do it. All the way to the top of it. In the rain. I hope everybody can see as we go. Oh yeah! Ah!
Make it! Yay!
Ah! We did it! We did it! We did it!
Alright, let me get my camera out.
We did it!
Help me.
Welcome to Blue Mountain Peak. We did it! Massive, we did it. I actually was right. Here's a sign. We did it. We are at Blue Mountain Peak. Ah, and there's shelter. Yes, we did it. We did it. Let me get this sign. Look what up here looks like. Ah, it's so misty. We're at the peak. Woo! We're at the peak. We did it. The highest point in Jamaica. There is actually, like there was a shack up here, all torn to pieces. See? Let me stand on this ledge. Woo! We're at the highest point in Jamaica. The highest point in Jamaica, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. We did it in the rain. This is what it looks like. Oh my word. Oh my word. We did it. This is what it looks like. Ah, see? Standing up there, man. Yeah, man. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh no, man, trust me. I'm trying to turn the camera around while holding this thing over it. This is what it looks like. Man, all fucked up. This is me just getting back from Blue Mountain Peak. And remember me tell you this. Look at me and them. This for me and them. Look good. Me I hope this give you a full impression. See? I fully soak. Shots, everything soaked. You see me? So listen. If you don't know what Blue Mountain entail, soon watch the video. Don't go ahead and do it. See, look for the Wrangler just a forward. See the Wrangler we actually did carry away. Got a little bit of the journey just a forward. We hope that when we da forward back, we could have buck up in the Wrangler. See Wrangler just a reach back. After we just reach back. Jaja know. So massive. I'm not joking. See Wrangler. Jaja, we just reached back, you know. And you know, so we are walk a while ago, so we can't buck up on the same general. You know, when you get back a ride and see that you just a pass. Yeah, man. Big up every time, man. You see me? Bad machine. We just pull up with water, you know, and thing. Up there, full it. No. A river there, somewhere where you can get to harvest the water, you know? A little spring. Clean and pretty. You see me, I say? No joke, man. Take it easy, man. Bad machine. Roll equipment. Bigger that. Big up every time. It's a mad thing. Blue Mountain, is it? So, yeah, massive. At the van they actually carry away a piece of the journey. But the journey is not for the faint of heart. I recorded the whole entire walk. I tried my best not to skip out anything. So, if now everybody can see what Blue Mountain entails and what Blue Mountain is all about. So, it's up to you. I recommend you doing all of the quad bikes and all of them things that forward a jobby place and thing. But remember no, if you're not built different for the Blue Mountain hike, don't do it. It is not easy. My knees, my foot them, are killing me like me I feel crazy pain. You see all them two little soldier girl eh? We do it with we. And the two normal pin them, you know, I probably enjoy them, you know. Because them not real, you know. You understand? Because I don't know, say, me feel so, I can imagine. I don't know. Yo, trust me. Then tough like stone. No complain, no complain. I'm tell you, I feel crazy pain. You see me? So, blessed respect me. I gotta try to get for cool off, you know. You're more cool off, warm off right now. And see if I can just go so boom bam. And get myself sorted out. And warm up myself. And just deal with some other little thing. You understand? So, big up to everybody who watch the video. The video long video. So, you don't know it. This video is actually for the persons who actually need it. You see me? Or you just love to just see what Jamaica walk by I do and things. So big up everybody, big up all my YouTube members, big up to everybody who watch the video. Take part in the premiere and actually leave a comment below. You see me? You don't know if you want to support Jamaica walk by differently, I have link in the description where you can donate to PayPal and the whole works cash up. You don't know the thing, a mad thing. You see me? So blessed, respect, and they don't know Jazz Entertainment. Them did the quad bike and all of them things. They can reach them out on Instagram and actually shot them a DM to find out if I want for the crew and everything for take the whole journey up to Blue Mountains, which part with there, and just to have some fun. You see me I say? A mad thing, man. One love, one respect. You see it? That is it. Yes! You so come. You good? Blessed love, mad respect, you see me? That is it. We outside. Mad something.
When I'm alone, I see Jah.